Each day, new brands are launched in the marketplace. These brands have to compete with long-standing companies and millions of marketing companies. For startups, the only way of being successful is in marketing better and more efficiently than old businesses. Startups often have a limited budget, which means that they have to make the most of their limited finances in reaching customers and developing revenue. I am Bobin Kwanchamba, founder and CEO of Chile Media Inc., where we leverage the power of media and technology to empower you. Why is digital marketing important for startups? Digital marketing can often be done at a much lower cost than traditional marketing. While print and television advertisement may cost thousands of dollars, online marketing may only cost a few hundreds of dollars. Also, a blog can reach thousands of readers at the cost of creating articles and paying for a saver. Digital marketing allows startups to reach new clients and develop relationships at a fraction of the cost of traditional marketing. 1. Inexpensive customer research. While companies like Toyota has years of customer research to back each product, startups are too new to know exactly what their customers want. Technology can be used to track, monitor, and interpret buying behaviors. Through technology, companies can figure out which products and demographics work best for their business. Rather than waste millions of dollars on an ineffective television advertisement, the startup can directly target the consumer that they know is interested in the product. 2. Engage clients. Facebook campaigns, social media posts, and webinars all provide an opportunity for engaging the client directly. Through digital marketing, customers feel like they have a one-on-one relationship with the company. Once this relationship is developed, it takes a minimal amount of effort for the startup to keep their clients. 3. Use metrics to drive success. More consumers are using mobile devices to get online and find out about products. Because of the widespread access of traditional computers and mobile devices, online marketing is one of the most efficient ways of marketing to consumers. Also, it offers real-time metrics for the startup to gauge the success of their campaign. Instead of trying to guess the number of newspaper readers who look at a print ad, the startup knows immediately how many viewers are reading and interacting with their advertisement. Startups can customize their marketing approach to specific locations and demographics. These sophisticated tools allow digital marketers to find out about the customer's behavior and identify new opportunities. Also, digital marketing makes it easier to discover which offerings are useful and which products should be created to match the consumer's need. Number 4, developing the right digital marketing approach. When creating a digital marketing strategy, companies have to tailor their approach carefully. Digital marketing allows all aspects of advertisement, emails, and content to be integrated into each other. From creating a website to posting a webinar, these techniques must be planned out in advance for them to be effective. Among the different methods available, startups can use key elements. Create a website that showcases their brand. Video marketing, pay-per-click PPC campaigns. Social media marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, SEO. To start with, the startup needs to make a website that is attractive and easy to navigate. It should place the brand as an authority in the field. Within the website, most startups will also want to include a blog or a similar content focus section. This part of the site can then be used to boost online visibility and brand awareness. For startups operating on a limited budget, it is important to utilize the power of search engine optimization, SEO. This technique is used to drive organic traffic to the website. The search engines scroll through websites to pick up on keywords. These keywords, backlinks, and other metrics are then used by search engines to decide if the website will be useful to a reader. Websites that are considered higher authority and more useful are ranked higher in the search engines. Since most people will only click on the first 3 results in the search engine listing, it is important for businesses to appear in the top results. For SEO to be effective, companies also have to develop backlinks to their site. These links can come from other websites, social media, or blogs. Each backlink is an indicator to the search engines that another website found the company's page to be interesting or useful. As a result, a page with more backlinks will rank higher than a page without any backlinks. 5. A mobile optimized strategy is a necessity. Search engine technologies and online users are constantly evolving. While a basic website was effective a decade ago, current users are now interacting with companies through their mobile devices. Because of this, smart startups must create a mobile optimized strategy. At the very last, their website must be designed so that it is easy to read and navigate using a mobile device. Mobile searches is now a larger portion of searches than desktop searches. As a result, Google changed their ranking algorithm to make sure that websites are designed with mobile devices in mind. If websites are not mobile friendly, then they will not be ranked as highly in the search engines. 6. SEO is still important. Why some people thought that SEO was dying just a few years ago, it is still important for websites. Google may have updated their algorithm, but SEO is still the best way for search engines to decide what a website is all about and how useful it is. As long as there are search engines, the search engine will need some way to determine the topic and usefulness of a website. 7. Content should be a major part of any digital marketing strategy. Each time someone places an advertisement in a newspaper, they have to pay another fee to place the ad. In comparison, content marketing can provide a relatively cheap or free way to market a business continuously. Consumers want to find out information about products, and they will search for that information online. When the user arrives at the company site, the business has an opportunity to turn their quest for knowledge into a sale. Once the content has been added to the website, it can continue to attract clients for free. Content does not have to be in the form of an ordinary blog. Infographics, webinars, GIFs, memes, and images can all form a part of the startup's content strategy. If something can be liked or shared, it can become part of the company's online content. Each share on social media delivers free advertising and new prospective clients for the startup. 8. Think beyond basic pay-per-click ads. 10 years ago, pay-per-click ads were the main ways that companies conduct their online marketing strategy. Today, this technique has a far lower impact than other marketing techniques. Paid advertisement tends to be more promotional than educational. Readers are also used to ignoring advertisement. So this advertisement tends to reach far fewer people than most businesses would like. Instead of pouring thousands of dollars into a limited campaign, companies can embrace social networks, informational content, and brand building tactics. Advertisement can still be useful, but they are only one of the tools that are available to marketers. Engaging consumers online takes time, and ads are limited in their engagement options. While a pay-per-click ad may bring a few additional clients, it cannot be the company's only source of lead generation. 9. Optimizing the conversion rate. Some startups believe that digital marketing does not work because they don't generate enough leads. Part of the problem is that these startups forget to optimize their conversion rate. A social media post may bring people to the website, but it will not create a sale unless the company optimizes the website. There should be an option for subscribing to an email list, buying a product, or filling out a contact form on the site. A call to action in the bottom of an article or a button for signing up make it easier for the website visitor to become a paying client. 10. Traditional marketing versus digital marketing. The main reason to use digital marketing is that it is a low-cost way to reach potential buyers. Consider some of the cost of traditional marketing. Direct mail, $3,000 to send 5,000 postcards. Local and network television advertisements, $200,000 to $600,000 for a post. Radio, $70 to $250 for a spot. These costs do not include the cost of making a radio or a television advertisement. Depending on the business and the advertisement, a product can cost several thousands of dollars. Startups are often unable to afford even one television advertisement, and a single ad has a very limited reach. In comparison, digital marketing offers a much lower cost. They generate more than 50% more leads than traditional marketing and allow startups to compete with large corporations. For digital marketing, startups can expect to pay just pay per click, $250 to $500 a month. Blog writing, $40 for a 300-word post. Social media ads, $100 or more a month. Search engine optimization, $1,000 per month. Social media, $1,000 or more per month. Different marketing agencies may charge more or less than this figure. In some cases, startup can eliminate marketing costs almost completely by writing blogs and connecting to social media on their own. Even when these marketing techniques are outsourced, they are still drastically cheaper than traditional advertisement. Also, this advertisement technique can reach a broader audience and deliver a better return on the investment. 11. Digital marketing allows startups to boost their visibility, increase online conversion rates, reduce their marketing budget, generate leads, increase sales, develop a brand awareness, increase online conversion rates, improve customer engagement, influence purchasing decisions, track their return on investment. In a recent survey, CB Insight found that 70% of startups fail because they don't market correctly. Digital marketing has to be done as soon as the startup is formed. From the beginning, digital marketing has to be a core part of the startup's business strategy. For the business to be successful, it has to reach new customers, develop and convert leads into sales. What other important tips of digital marketing for startups do you know? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share or subscribe for more digital marketing tutorials. Stay connected, for I will see you in the next video.